Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is going to be a little bit of a review, but I want to explain why. I had a subscriber, Alice Bravo, who didn't understand this concept. If she didn't understand this concept, that means there are others on the channel who are either new or didn't understand what I was talking about the first time around. And that's okay. Maybe your phone rang. Maybe you got a notification. Maybe your kids were screaming. Your dog was barking when I went over this. It's okay. Throughout my channel, I'm going to be repeating things over and over again. I get a lot of subscribers that are new, and I don't want to leave anybody behind. And this concept is probably the most important concept that I could teach you. If you walk away from my channel right now and push that unsubscribe, if I got this concept into you, you learned from me. So I'm going to go through light one more time. Well, it's probably not going to be one more. It's probably going to be a dozen times in the future. But I think I came up with a teaching tool that is going to work for everybody because it's easier to see. I did this with a piece of white paper last time, and it might have been a little bit difficult to see. But you're not going to miss it this time. I'm using a Voss water bottle and some tin foil so you can really see the light. Okay, what I want to show you today is the direction or the shape of your light lines, your highlights. Now, it's not going to be, after you walk away from today, you will understand it. Imagine this is a person's leg, or the pillar of a building, or the way a leaf is bending. You know how I'm always going like this, and then I'm going like this? Well, a lot of you understand what I'm doing because I've done this concept before. So then there's others that are going, what is she doing with her hands, you know? Well, this is what I'm doing. Here you have a leg, a limb on a tree, anything that is a cylinder. Now I have my light coming from overhead. You can clearly see the light is coming and shining this way. No matter what the direction I go in, this light line is going to stay the same. You see it? It's going this way, and then it turns this way. Why is it doing that? Because the object is curving this way. So if I'm doing a leg or a dress or anything that's long, I know the shape of my light line is going to be long. Imagine the candy cane or the pencil. You could see the light line on the pencil go straight. Now, if you took this light line and turned it and created the light line to go this way, while your object is turning this way, it's going to look funky. It's not going to look natural, and your artwork is not going to be professional. It's not even going to be in an artistic realm of correctness. Now, I'm not talking about creativity, because you can draw a purple cat. You can draw a person with two heads. That's artistic liberty. You could take any artistic liberty that you want. But the fact of the matter is, in nature, in physics, in life, your light line is still going to go in the same way. So this is one of those things where, no, you're wrong if you do it any other way. It's the only time I'll ever say it, because you can do an ocean in red. You could do anything artistic with anything. You get this concept wrong, your picture is wrong. So here you have your light line. Your cylinder is going this way. Your light line is going this way. You turn it, the person lays down. Your light line did not stay this way, because the object is still curving this way, your light line still is going in the same direction. One of the only other times that it's an absolute, there is no other way of doing it, is with the pupils of the eyes. You can make two eyes that are different sizes. People squint with one eye, they open shut. You can take any artistic liberty as far as the size of the eye. You make your pupils a different size, the person's got a head injury. They're wonky. Pupil size always remains the same, equal between two eyes. Other than those two real concepts, I'm not thinking of anything that's as absolute as that. So I hope this demonstration was a lot better than with the white paper and that you could see it. Now, on a ball, let me just get out my ball. On a ball that is see-through and clear, and this goes for every gemstone that you do, there will always be a light shining through. So on your shadow, this will always be an absolute. You have to have a highlight in your shadow. It's just the way it is. If this ball was solid, there would be no light there. Okay? It would be completely solid. And that's the difference on how to make an object translucent, is that light. Where the light, now, you see it's right there. That's your highlight. It goes through the ball and out here. Every sphere goes in the same way as this concept, except in a sphere, since it's round, your object is really going in every direction, and that highlight sort of rounds itself out and becomes circular. But it's the same exact concept, no matter how you do it. It's the way the light hits. If you make a mistake, and say you put your light line going this direction, what's going to happen is it's going to look like it has a bend in it. So this would be bent in half. And what it would create is that bend, and the light line would then go in the right direction. So there's no way of getting out of this concept. It's something you need to know. Every picture you draw from here to eternity is going to have this specific concept. Now, what I want you to do is look at every single cylinder in the room that you are sitting in right now. And you're going to see, because you might not have ever noticed it before, what I just told you was true. It's physics. It's not going to happen any other way. I will see you guys later. This was just a supplemental video to my regular scheduled videos and to answer my subscribers' question and anybody else that's new that hasn't gotten this concept yet. I'll see you guys, depending on when I upload this, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And take care. Bye-bye.